Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade to GitHub Pro. Once you're inside your GitHub account, click your profile or account on the upper right, then click on settings. Now, once you're here, go down to where it says access and click on billing and license. Then from here, just go ahead and click on license. Right, you will see the license that you have, and here you will scroll down a bit and you'll find your current base plan. And right beside that, it's going to show you that you can upgrade to GitHub Pro. So you just need to go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you over to where it's going to tell you how much you'll be paying per month. This is the Pro. And of course, you can pay yearly or you can pay monthly. If you pay monthly, it's going to be a bit on the higher side. So you will see how much you will be able to pay monthly. But as you can see, per license is not that expensive. So here you'll see how much you'll pay per month. And here much you will see how much you'll pay per year. So $48 per year to upgrade to GitHub Pro, and you get all that is inside the free and a lot more. This is amazing stuff. So just want to go ahead and fill out your necessary details here for the billing section, and you will save and continue. Keep in mind that once you continue from there, you'll need to enter as well your payment details, and you'll be able to upgrade your account to GitHub Pro. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. From here, it's pretty much straightforward. And that's it.